Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use TunnelBear VPN on Brawl Stars. So make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it. So the first thing is just make sure to download this application called TunnelBear VPN, and if you have not downloaded it, just go to the App Store or Play Store of your mobile phone and search here Tunnel Bear VPN. And once you write this down, make sure to download this application called Tunnel Bear VPN. And once you download this, just open the application Tunnel Bear and make sure to log in with your account, as I already have an account. So make sure to create an account, create a password, and once you click on like create your account, you will be seeing this kind of interface. So from here, what you can do is just click on the fastest connection and click on continue, and after that click on allow, and from here just enter your passcode, and after that it will start connecting. So give it a few seconds, and here you can see like your remaining data, and it has connected to the fastest connection, as which is like Kenya for me, and for you that might be different. So make sure to just click on the fastest, and once you click on here, like go back to your game like Brawl Stars and open it, and after that you will be able to use TunnelBear VPN on Brawl Stars. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.